What's up, guys? I've been making wings in the cast iron skillet for a little while now, starting to perfect it, I believe. So what I usually do is I'll get the wings from Aldi, cut them up. It's always the flats connected to the drums, so you have to cut them. Then I'll throw them in a bowl like this. I put hot sauce and blackened seasoning or Cajun seasoning, whatever. I let them soak in that for probably not very long, maybe 20 minutes, but it usually fills up this bowl. I've already done one batch, that's why it's half empty. But this is what I actually used. So this is just the Aldi brand Cajun seasoning. It's basically blackened seasoning. And this is some Aldi brand Frank's Red Hot knockoff. I actually looked it up, and it's supposed to be the exact same recipe as Frank's Red Hot. Who knows how accurate that is, but usually for the high quality situations, I would go with the Cholula. And this is probably the most legit blackening seasoning you can get. Stuff's really good, but that stuff was super cheap, so. All right, I'm heating up the cast iron. It's starting to smoke. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 425 because I'm gonna sear them on both sides and then finish them in the oven. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of canola oil in this pan, not a lot. It's a cast iron pan. You really don't even need oil. But the pan's pretty hot. The oven's preheating to 425. So, like I said, we sear them and then just finish them in the oven. You just want to get a sear on both sides. That's really all it is. I think they're ready, man. Sounds good. Definitely want that sear. It could be a little hotter. By the way, the camera's fairly close to the splash zone. That's okay though, it's a GoPro. Okay, what do we got? 10 wings. All right, I'll be back when we flip them. Gonna flip them pretty soon. So now it's check to see if they are ready to be flipped. So go ahead and so that's what you want right there. Just that on both sides. So I'm guessing that they're ready to be flipped. And the problem that I have a lot of times is I get impatient and I don't let them sear on this next side enough. See, that one could go a little bit longer, but this pan's a little bit inconsistent. It's hot in the middle, but not around the edges. Look at that big one. And it is splashing oil everywhere. All right, so I'm just gonna let it sear on the other side and finish it in the oven. Okay, so they are seared on both sides. Now it's just wait in the oven, and then I don't really have a time. I'm saying 20 minutes, so. Okay, I think it took, after I browned them on both sides, it was in the oven for 15 minutes, and then I just turned the oven off, waited 5 minutes, and yeah, we're good. So yeah, just gonna put them on the plate. It got super smoky in here, so yeah, here they are. So it's, I guess, Cajun hot, Cajun buffalo wings, cast iron skillet. Awesome.